Hey everybody, Mark from the Geek Church here, and today I'm going to be reviewing several products that we have actually somewhat reviewed before. From Scosche, or Scosche, again, I don't really remember how to pronounce this, but anyway. Listen, I'm going to start by talking about the BaseLynx here. Now normally I do reviews where I do sort of unboxing, but I just decided I'm just going to take it out of the box and just show it to you. And I've shown this to you before. So I have the basic BaseLynx. I believe this is a rack. Is this what it's called? No, it's called the BaseLynx vent. So, and then I put it together with the BaseLynx watch, followed by another BaseLynx vent, followed by this particular end cap. And I got this particular device here. Now, I don't know if you can tell here, but basically this particular vent here is connected via power to a plug in the wall, which is great. And what happens is I can connect these BaseLynx together. They come apart and, oh, hello. Oh, I shut off my light because my light is connected to that. So hang on a second. There we go. Whoops, didn't really think that through, did I? Anyway, so basically, as you can see, I've got the vent here, and I've got the, this is for an Apple Watch. I don't really have an Apple Watch, so I just use my, I think this is a LessFit smartwatch I reviewed before. I just put it in there, and then I've got another rack, and then I've got this end cap on the end, which attaches there, and that's got a few ports here. It's got two USBs on there, and these things called the vents, they have two USBs on the back plus a USB-C in there. This watch here, I think it really is just available for the watch. I don't really think there's any, no, there doesn't seem to be any ports there. However, if you have something in your house where you just need to charge a lot of devices all at once, this BaseLynx kit, or BaseLynx, is for you. And they're available on the Scosche site now for a price that I'm not really certain of, but we'll have to put a link to the article to show you where you can find out more information about it. That being said, I want to talk about more Scosche products. Hopefully I'm pronouncing this right. Scosche? Anyway, I'm going to bring out this. This is the Magic Mount. And it's designed to be for the Magsafe Charger. I don't really see a need to open this up because since I don't really have an Apple Watch, I don't really have the Magsafe on me, but essentially you can tell on the box, and you know what, I think I will open this up because honestly this is really neat to see. Wasn't planning on doing an unboxing, but look at this thing. Okay, it's pretty obvious what this is. Basically you have this, you can put it in your dashboard with a suction cup. Anyway, you put it down, let's see if we can get that in the view. Yeah, right there. And then you just connect your, what do they call it thing? It's the Magsafe Charger. You can put it in this, it's like a disc shape. You put it in here, you run the cord through the back, and then you put it through here through the charger. Nothing big, but it's still, if you want some charging action before you get on the road, this is where it's at, man. So that is worth talking about, and so is another product. I want to make sure I also talk about these. These are some good power cord charger plugs. There's a proper word for this. I know I'm not getting it. Anyway, this is the P020, and this is the P060. They're both USB-C charging plugs, for lack of a better term. And I'm going to open them up right now and check out what's inside. Okay. It is plug. It is very much plug. What makes the difference between this one, which is a 60 watt? Also plug with retracting prongs. Not bad. Not bad at all. These guys are available on the Scosche site. I'll go to my article if you want to know more information about them. But I want to talk about one more product before we go. Actually, it's two more products. These charging cables. I've tried out these charging cables before, and honestly, I think I'll leave them in the box for now because honestly, it's a charging cable. And I did a review of the charging cables before, So these are USB-Cs, charge and sync cables. When are you going to have something really great to talk about? Well, everyone needs a charging cable. This one's Lightning. This one's just USB-C. Very good. USB is what is happening for now. And Scosche has got it a lot riding on it, and it is still a viable market. Anyway, this has been Mark Rollins from the Geek Church talking about more Scosche products, and maybe we'll discuss this later, maybe during the holiday season. Scosche, what do you think? Anyway, they're a great brand. Check them out. Go to the Scosche site and you'll find out that they do a lot more than just what I've shown you here, believe me. Anyway, this has been Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, signing off.